Good day, everyone, and welcome to another epic episode. Welcome to News Aluchi. I'm your host, Sabuloga Zuma Umshuluzi, and you're welcome to join me. So, more drama unfolds. I'm even scared to say where.
Sicela ukuveza kucace even kwi-media yethu ukuthi njengoba sila sizokhiya i-office njengama-members of Umkhonto Wesizwe. Number 1, akusuka ukuthi sivele safika sazokhiya i-office. Sifike sacela i-leadership ukuthi ize kithi kuma-ward. Yangafika i-leadership kuma-ward. Sasuka lapho seza kuyi-leadership njengoba sazoyinika u7 days wokuthi uma kuukuthi indaba yama-disputes abayi-resolve njengoba sinama-disputes sixakwa ama-disputes kuma-ward ethu since bekhethwa ubukhansela.
When I say in the MK party, you guys, you fight me. You write messages, you curse at me. You're telling me that I'm a paid agent. I'm just defaming the MK party. I'm paid. Who has paid me? Like this post right here. Curses at me, says Ms. Logi, paid agent coming from Pumelelo Siwundla. I bet that this is a female, right? She just came for me and cursed at me. Spusiso Milani wrote this a few days ago. Ngiyathanda ukufabricata izitori nge-MK party. Yona futhi le podcast nalekazi izipho lubelwane. Siyazi kunabantu abangemuva abaphusha i-agenda yabo basebenzisa nina. Siyazi indlala imengenhla nani nizama ucwezu lwesinko. Asisho lutho zamani sibone niyophilela lapho ngoba indlala bakithi. Oh, poverty, indlala. Yeah, we are hungry. Yeah. Why do you always accuse content creators of being paid? You don't have any proof. You don't know because there's a view that is not aligning with you. Now you are accusing us falsely. If you are not accusing, you are cursing at us, saying that we are defaming their political party. But what we are posting here is already in the public. It is the members of the MK party already in other platforms. They have posted about this. Here we are just formulating and presenting to you. And you members of the MK party, you don't understand. The MK party is like the hot potato. I'm giving you the secret now. The MK party has numbers. Ask any content creator. It has numbers. It means what? A lot of the people are interested in the MK party. But you don't see that. You want me to disclose some secrets now. I'm not there. Please, when you want to comment, leave your respectful comment. Disagree with me respectfully. Don't need to tell me that I'm poor, nilambile, and so forth. You don't know me. You are judging a person that you don't know. You think of us doing a content now. We are beggars. We are poor. You don't know me. So why are you misjudging me? If you disagree, state it on the comment and disagree fairly. We're talking politics here. Now you're taking things personal. You're attacking us. Why? Why are you attacking us? You're accusing us, falsely accusing us of something that you don't know about. Okay, let's pass that. I was just annoyed by these foolish comments. MK party members in Majuba district locked the offices about disputes about the election of councillors. Remember that a few days ago, I reported and told you guys, and you attacked me. I told you that there are some disputes. Members of the MK party who are not happy, they are accusing some sabotage coming from the ANC and saying that no, there's a sabotage to the people who have come to join the membership. Sub-regions are being manipulated. But when you report about this, you cry fall. Okay, let us pass that. The MK party comrade says that there was an ultimatum of 7 days given to the MK party leaders of Majuba district, and the leaders did not come to meet the Green members, to an extent that the leaders did not come even to work. And when these comrades, I believed, when they went there and they found security and they took now the chains and the locks and they just locked everything out,
And mind you, i-guideline iphumile from umkhonto wesizwe. Uthini i-guideline? Ithi guideline number 1, kumele kuhlale i-VD, each VD. I-VD ne-VD ngizonenzela example futhi. Uma mina ngihlala eWard 26, number 1 nginama-VD ayi-4. Ithini i-guideline? Ithi guideline kumele kuphume i-nominees ye-VD laseQaphelani, kuphume inomini ye-VD yaseMadada, kuphume inomini ye-VD yasehlala nathi, kuphume inomini ye-VD yaseMidlands, ne-PR wonke woyi-4. Isho njalo i-guideline yomkhonto. Kuyima kuhanjwa kuyiwa in a center. Kuyima kuzohlaliswa ini, kuzophuma abantu bakwi-VD yaseMadada, kuphume abantu bakwi-VD yaseQaphelane, kuphume abantu bakwi-VD yaseMidlands, kuphume abantu bakwi-VD yasehlala nathi, bazovotela umuntu wabo abamkhiphe in each VD. But emkhontweni akuzange kuze kwenzeke lokho. Okusixakayo nokusimangazayo ukuthi kungani i-guideline ingalandelwa emkhontweni. Kungani la eMajuba ingalandeli i-guideline baholi? Kungani eMajuba benza eyabo i-guideline, belandela eyabo i-guideline? Sifisa ukwazi lokho. Ingakho sithe ake size kubo ngoba thina masibabuza abasiphendula beze kumawadi selokhu bangena bakaze babiza neyodi meeting. Uma ngabe nginamanga nabaholi bakhona ngemuva bangakhona ukuthi bangiphikise. Number 2, another thing esenza ukuthi sibe la. Sibanikile u7 days comrade, abakaze basiphendula until today. Njengoba sila sesibuyile futhi sithi sizobafica ilanga labo lokuthi babe se-office kodwa bekho. Njengoba nje nisibona nje silokhile, ingoba sibalindile kuma ward bezosiphendula ukuthi kwenzakalani ngama disputes ethu. Number 3, okusixakayo nokusimangazayo ukuthi ithe mayikhuluma iprovince yakuveza ukuthi eMajuba ama disputes awekho. Only to find out ukuthi kunama disputes eMajuba more than 30 kodwa afihliwe. Esiyibuza kona kukodwa ukuthi afihleleni ama disputes kungani enganako? Ngoba umphakathi ozovota akusiyimi nawo ozovota. Lo mphakathi onganako abafuna ukunaka ninibona.
So a simple thing that was happening there, the leadership was accused of not following the constitution of the MK party. They are saying that people are just following their own unconstitutional rules, self-made rules, and they just give those rules to the comrade and they run the party as they please. But let me just tell you the update that will make you happy, because you want us to speak bad about President Ramaphosa, but when we are speaking about your political party, you just curse at us. I don't know. NC people, they understand, they bring the argument, most of them, but some of the MK party members, they just turn the blind eye. You know. Okay, let us start here. It is reported by Comrade Zindela that there are deployees coming from province and nationals who are allocated to go to different provinces and to help the grieving members. And Comrade Zindela responded about the same matter of the selection process of the MK party. According to him, leaders will engage in the regions and sub-regions to verify if those who are well known by the comrades are the people whom the comrades have chosen to be represented by them. Let us watch here.
Sanibonani masosha omkhonto wesizwe. Nikhuluma no Comrade Zindela, i-spokesperson somzimkhulu sub-region Andahiri Gwala. Ngicela nje ukusho ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe has taken note, comrades, of ama social media posts opposed to ama comrades eveza ukukhalaza kwawo ngendlela i-selection process ehambe ngakhona the time kwenziwa i-process ye-councillor candidate. Esingakusho comrades somkhonto wesizwe party under Herigwara region, under umzimkhulu sub-region, ukuthi ama-concerns ama-comrades on the ground wonke athe awaveza formally nalawa akhulunywa informally, umkhonto wesizwe uzokusukumela konke lokho. And that is why nibona manje kune communication ezophuma comrades whereby kuzoba nama deployees asuka from ku province no national azoza phansi khona kuma regions and sub regions azobhekana ne process yanyayo lama selection process ba ihambe kanjani, azobhekana nalawo nama candidates lawa aselectiwe ukuthi awashintshiwe na yiwo lama candidates akhethiwe wona futhi lama candidates akhethiwe comrades ingaba niyawazi na emawodini ingaba ni happy na ngawo ila khona ke comrades khona nizonikezwa khona ithuba nina as ama volunteer omkhonto wesizwe nina abantu on the ground and mise omkhonto wesizwe ubani kwazi bani engage nalama deployees niveze ungeneliseke kwenu niveze ukweneliseka kwenu nixhase futhi niphikise la fanele kuphikiswe khona besicela comrades ukuthi si trust a process ayithe wayibeka ubaba uNxamalala si trust le process ebekwe iorganization yethu esithanda kakhulu kumkhonto wesizwe ukuthi comrades njengasikwe critical time kangakuba sibheka ukhetho la 2026 labo masipala kufuneka sisebenze ngokubambisana comrades kufuneka sisebenze ngetransparency ngeintegrity nangokuzihlonipha comrades umkhonto wesizwe akulona iqembu le social media akulona iqembu lokuthi nala sinezinkinga khona singene ku social media soxeka kulona lama processes wabona alandelelwayo manje iwona efuneka siwasebenzise ukuthi siveze ungeneliseki iwona futhi efuneka siwasebenzise la singa edda khona ama views ukuthi ngempela le process ihambe very smoothly and speedily siyethemba ke comrades wonke umuntu one unhappiness onesikhalazo nonephonto akhala ukuthi uyiraise regarding ukubekwa kwama council nama peer councillors uzolithola ithuba mase kufike ama deployees asuka eprovince nenational sicela sinxenxa wonke ama volunteer wethu omkhonto wesizwe kuwo wonke amakhono esinawo eHerigwala ukuthi besicela ukuthi sibalekane nokudicampaigna umkhonto wesizwe ku social media funeke sazi comrades ukuthi sibhekane necritical times umkhonto wesizwe la khona silwela ukuwina bomasipala akungabi thina ke sidicampaigna oyisibulala umkhonto wesizwe ngokuthi sifake ungethembeki okunganeliseki ku social media ngoba lokho comrades kuzokwenza nomuntu ofisa ukujoina umkhonto wesizwe okanye nomuntu osene hope kumkhonto wesizwe ukuthi aluzithemba kanti lento okhala ngayo into esengalungiseka kufuneka sazi comrades la khona sekuvela khona ikhundla o la khona sekuba nama selection process kuhlezi kuzoba nokuphikisana kuhlezi kuzoba nokungeneliseka kwabanye abantu akusho ke comrades lokho masiyongena ku social media sithi campaign our own organization lene sesisebenzele kangaka siyanqenqa ama comrades ukuthi masinikeze ithuba le process ezayo ezobhekana nezikhalazo zenu ezobhekana nokungeneliseka kwenu sethembe futhi comrades ukuthi sizozama ukuthi after kuphumele communication engiyikhiphayo singangeni ku social media sixekane neorganization ngokwenza mhlambe kwe leader ethile engenzanga kahle okwama leaders athile akwayiwona angenzanga kahle nayenze kanjalo comrades kufuneka niwa report nayifika nama delegates kufuneka niwa report mayingenzanga kahle nayingenzanga kahle ngokwama processes khona si organization sizokwazi basithatha steps against such individuals but ukungena ku social media comrades sikhulume kabi ngomkhonto wesizwe sibulala lelona leliqembu esithi siyalwela bamaliwine ukhetho.
Let's hope that the Majuba district will find closure because wars keep on happening there. The MK party comrades are divided there, and I fear because the political attacks and the political killings, they start like this. The sabotage start like this. Only if now the leadership intervenes, that is when only the matters are going to be resolved. What's your take on this? What do you think the MK party will need to do next? Because as Zindela said that they are coming to help the comrades, they must make that quickly because things are just turning to be ugly. Please leave it on the comment section below, and you can subscribe to this political YouTube channel, and let us meet on the next video. And I'm out. Take care.